In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PDF to a cell on Google Sheets. So here you can see I've got data and I've got a PDF that I could go ahead and click on. And when I click on it, it opens in a new window and allows me to view it. So here's how you can attach it in this video. So what you first need to do is open up your Google Sheet, and you also need to go to a new tab and open up Google Drive as well. Now, Google Drive and Google Sheets are obviously connected. You need to be logged into the same Google account, so I'm logged into the same one on Google Sheets and Google Drive. So once you've got Google Drive open, go New, go File, Upload, and then find the PDF that you want to upload. So I'm uploading this one. We'll then click Open. Once it has been uploaded, you'll be able to find it in My Drive, or you can just go ahead and click on the PDF in the bottom right. Then we can go to Share in the top right-hand corner, click on that, and you can change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. This is going to be useful if you're going to be sharing your PDF. If you're not going to be sharing it with anyone, you can keep it unrestricted. For the video, I'm going to put it to anyone with the link, then copy that link. Then go back to Google Sheets, choose the cell you want to link the PDF to, right click, and then go ahead and click Insert Link. Now you can right click, paste in the URL you copied. Once you've pasted that in, click Apply. And there you go, you've now attached your PDF to this cell, and you can go ahead and click on it. It will then open in Google Drive, and that is all you have to do.